The gear system in a car is fascinating and essential for its operation. When you shift gears, you're essentially changing the torque and speed delivered to the wheels. In a manual transmission, pressing the clutch disengages the engine from the wheels, allowing you to select a different gear. Each gear has a specific ratio, which determines how much power is transmitted. In lower gears, like first or second, the car accelerates quickly but at lower speeds, perfect for starting from a stop. As you shift to higher gears, the car can maintain speed while using less engine power, which is why you can cruise on the highway efficiently. Automatic transmissions, on the other hand, use a complex system of hydraulics and sensors to shift gears for you, optimizing performance without you needing to think about it. Understanding this system not only enhances your driving experience, but also helps in maintaining your vehicle better. So next time you drive, appreciate the intricate dance of gears working seamlessly to get you where you need to go.